You want fix a problem update integrity check filelet. Okay, we are going to solve this problem in Dark and Darker. Okay, the first fix, okay, for the solve this problem is you go to the here, okay, and you go to the scrolling down and go to the PC, okay, go here in the PC and you go to the C, okay, and here you go to the here, okay, this carpet, and here you go to the carpet of Dark and Darker, okay. For example, I example, okay, Steam, okay, and you go to the point exe, okay, Dark and Darker, okay. For example, aquí, here, okay, you go to the right click and you go to the properties, and here you go to the option compatibility, okay, and here in the compatibility you select this option, okay, run as administration, okay, and you select the applicate and accept, okay. And the second fix, you go to the here in the Windows icon, okay, and you go here in this icon and go to the restart, okay, the PC, and the 3 fix, okay, you go to the point exe here on Dark and Darker and you right click, okay, and run as administration, okay, and you solve the problem. Bye bye.